Hello dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your weekly love reading for from the 17th till the 23rd. That is almost I think the third week of February. So if you are going through any relationship issues, complicated situation or marriage, think of a question and then watch this reading. You will definitely get an answer. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. You have got the Five of Stars and the Knight card. And you've got the Six of Moons and the Chariot card. First of all, I do see you guys dealing with a Capricorn or Sagittarius Sun Moon rising, or you must have Capricorn or Sagittarius Sun Moon rising in your own chart as well. I see separation, I see a breakup, I see a no contact situation. I see that this no contact is also hurting you very much. I see very depressed and sad energy from your reading. I also see a distance between the two of you. So it could be that you were in a long distance relationship where you or your partner are at different cities, states, countries, don't meet regularly. Or I also see it can be an emotional distance also. Like earlier, you could understand what your partner is thinking, telepathically connect with them. What are they going to do? What are their next steps going to be? But now you're not going to do that anymore. You're not able to do that anymore. I do see a distance, emotional disconnect as well, where you're not able to read what your partner is thinking anymore. So it could be that either it's been a while since this breakup happened, or it's just that it is so ugly that you just are not able to connect anymore. I also see that some of you want to reconnect with this person, and I also see that some of you desperately want to move forward and have a better partner, a better life. I also see some of you who are looking backwards. They are wishing that I hope things were different and I could reconnect with my partner. Looking backwards means having regrets of some sort, you know, reminiscing the old times, the good times as well. So to the both of you who are looking for reconciliation and who are also looking for a new partner, both things are possible in the third week of February. Yes. So it's going to be very good for you. Why? Because I see a chariot card. Whatever stuck energies that you're dealing with, maybe you're stuck in anger, maybe you're stuck in regret, but you're not taking any action towards your relationship, right? Or you're so stuck on your ex or your past that you're not able to move forward from them and find a new partner. So either ways, whatever your situation is, I do see you getting out of the stuck energy and you moving forward in your life. Your personal life is finally moving forward with the chariot here, which means you will be coming out of the stuck and negative energy very soon, and your life will start to move forward. It is also a card of travel. So like I said, you could be traveling to meet your partner, or your partner is specially traveling to come and see you. If you rekindle, then of course you both could be also traveling, maybe after a major fight, just to get away from the daily monotonous life and get a break for yourself. So I do see traveling happening, he traveling, you traveling, she traveling, you traveling, or both of you traveling together. Either ways, I also see this relationship moving forward finally from the stuck energy. And to all the singles, I do see you also getting out of the stuck energy and negative pattern and trying to find a better partner for yourself, or even starting a new relationship in the third week. So overall, I would say Aquarius, it's going to be a beautiful week for you. The starting of the week might be difficult for you because of all these negative energies, but as and when the week moves forward, your energies will also start to change and become better. So it's going to be beautiful. If you guys resonated with my reading, if you think, yes, this is exactly what has happened in my life, then please do comment and let me know. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you still have any doubts, if you still want to have a reading about your career or your love life or family health, any issue, you can always book a reading. You can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me on my Instagram channel, The Moksha Tarot. Okay, take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.